Hello everyone and welcome to this new week's tutorial where I am going to show you guys how you can fix the gap under your footer in Wix website. The process is quite simple and easy. First thing first, what you're going to do is you need to go to your Wix website using wix.com. There you need to log in or sign up if you are a newbie using your Google account or email and a perfect password. After that, it is going to direct you to your dashboard. Let me just show you guys how the dashboard looks so that it would be easy for you to find it out. So this is how the dashboard looks. In the dashboard, you are going to start a new design site if you are a newbie, or if you already have a design, then you must be in your website. So yeah, this is how the dashboard is going to appear, you see. But I'm going to back here. This is my site and I have to adjust my footer. You see, this is basically my footer. I have changed the color so that it would be easy for you guys to differ. Here you see this is basically a demarcating line that is present in the footer. Now how I'm going to adjust it, because as you scroll down you see there's a gap right here, and how you're going to fix it, how you're going to fix the gap under your footer. For that you can actually use this feature right here. You see this is an option of stretching. You can actually adjust this by stretching, and then you are going to stretch it from this side as well. You see this is written over here that you can adjust the footer height or double click to remove any extra space above. So you're going to, this is here how you're going to remove the extra space. You see, now you don't find any extra space. You can drag it down to as much as you want here. So this is how you're going to drag it down, and in this way you will be able to change it. Moreover, you can also use this feature of, this is how you're going to adjust the space, and this is how you can actually elongate it as much as you want. Moreover, if you want to decrease the length, then you can actually drag it above in this way. So this is how you can adjust the size which is present, and in this way you will be able to fill the gap which is present under the footer. There are a number of other methods as well. If you still feel that there is some troubleshooting, you can use this option of help right here, and in this way they're going to give you some live chat support. But this is very easy, that you can use this method of stretching, or you can also use this method of pulling it up. Moreover, you can also use this option of stretch right here. You click it, and in this way it is going to give you if you want screen stretch or if you want page stretch right here. So yeah, this is how you're going to fill the gap. Thank you so much guys. This is it for the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial.